Along the winding Namseongdang River, Jinju is a city where the fierce resolve of the battlefield and the quiet duty of protecting everyday life come together. Today, we set out to follow the traces of this patriotic spirit. From the iconic Chokseongnu Pavilion and Jungyeong at Jinju Fortress, the center of defense, to the Jinju Battle Historic Park honoring the Battle of Jinju, the Namseongdang Education Center preserving community memories, and the Mangjinsan Beacon Mound, a symbol of constant vigilance. What was it that Jinju fought so desperately to protect? Let's walk this path together and find out. My first stop is Chokseongnu Pavilion, set within Jinju Fortress. Though it appears peaceful today, this site bears the history of the Battle of Jinju, one of the fiercest battles of the Imjin War. Overlooking the Namseongdang River, where cliffs and fortress walls meet, Chokseongnu was a naturally strategic stronghold at the heart of Jinju's defense. Even as overwhelming enemy forces closed in, the soldiers and people of Jinju refused to give way. They held this place with their lives, driven by sacrifice, determination, and a deep sense of responsibility to protect their home. Centuries later, the stories of that time remain throughout Jinju Fortress and Chokseongnu, quietly conveying Jinju's noble spirit of patriotism. As we leave Chokseongnu and walk along the fortress walls, we arrive at another key site of Jinju Fortress, Jungyeong. Finally restored to its original form in 2023, this was the central command post for the defense of Jinju during the Imjin War. Connected to various facilities within the fortress, Jungyeong was where command and troop movements were continuously carried out, and fierce battles unfolded around it. What is most meaningful is that this space was not limited to the regular army alone. Righteous armies and ordinary citizens came together here, united in their shared determination to defend their country. Today, Jungyeong at Jinju Fortress stands as a lasting testament to how the strength of standing together in defense gave rise to a profound spirit of patriotism. Stepping outside the fortress walls, a wide open space unfolds before our eyes. After 17 long years of waiting, the Jinju Battle Historic Park and Jinju Ho국maru finally returned to the public. This is a place of history and learning, a space to reflect on the meaning of the Battle of Jinju and to honor the souls of the righteous armies who willingly answered the call to defend their nation. Standing here, the choices they made, the fear they faced, and the countless sacrifices they endured become more vivid. But Ho국maru isn't just a showcase of the past. It bridges those historic memories with our lives today, reminding us why this enduring spirit of patriotism must be learned, remembered, and passed on to the next generation. Now, our journey takes us away from the battlefields to a place with a different kind of story. This is the Namseongdang Education Center, a place where the idea of protecting takes on another meaning. Newly opened in the winter of 2025, this center is a cherished space of shared memory, bridging the roots, the present, and the future of Jinju's spirit. For over half a century, this very spot was a site of quiet devotion. It was here that the respected elder of the city cared for the health of his neighbors and nurtured young students, living and breathing alongside the local community. If defending the fortress in wartime was one way to protect the nation, then caring for people and looking after the community in everyday life is surely another form of patriotism. The Namseongdang Education Center stands as a quiet reminder of how this enduring spirit of protection continues to live on in our lives today. As our journey tracing Jinju's patriotic spirit nears its close, we arrive at the summit of Mount Mangjin, where the Mangjinsan Beacon Mound stands resolute. During the Joseon dynasty, this was a critical military communication hub, using fire and smoke to signal emergencies. Though it was damaged by heavy rains, it has finally been restored to its grand original appearance, standing once again in its place. Perched on elevated terrain commanding a panoramic view, this beacon shows a system of vigilance and preparedness that operated even before battles began. It reminds us that the strength to defend a nation isn't born from a single moment of courage alone. It is sustained by constant, unseen preparation and a unified system of cooperation. Today, the Mangjinsan Beacon Mound silently conveys a message. True patriotism isn't just about the fierce fight itself, but the unwavering commitment to always be prepared to protect what we hold dear. unyielding courage on the battlefield, the warmth of a community coming together, and the quiet, steadfast preparation for tomorrow. The spirit we've traced along the paths of Jinju is far more than a relic of the past. At its core, it has always been an earnest desire to protect us and a shared hope for the future. Across the centuries, we hope this fierce yet deeply compassionate spirit of Jinju leaves a lasting echo in your heart today.